To fix a Bosch oven that's not preheating, several common issues should be considered. These include an active demo mode, a disruption in power supply, or a faulty electrical component. If the oven is in demo mode, it can be disengaged by powering down the appliance, then reconnecting it to the main supply. Once powered up, the demo mode can be switched off in the basic settings, which can be found in the user manual. If a power disruption has occurred, the oven can be resumed by opening and closing the door once after the power supply has been restored. However, if the power supply isn't restored, the circuit breaker or power line should be checked. In cases where the oven's heating element doesn't glow red when heated, it may be faulty and require replacement or professional repair. By following these troubleshooting steps, fixing a non-preheating Bosch oven can be a straightforward process.